the people from Greater Accra or the people who stays in Greater Accra.
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TV GH so wafreme Adwoa searching. Ebusianfo Kamia Kwese His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne second coming we no obia enya ne share wo. Kamia Kwese 16 regions e wo Ghana hanom no obia enu ne ho. All of a sudden na enkra we a eba no efi Greater Accra. Na nipa ya okase oyega e na ochre se Chese omo ada adwen ho a omo enti ase the reason why ntia edu abato a enkranfo omo saline ekoto abade ma NDC amayokuo no kamia koye se edura NDC fo aye eye Greater Accra fo no omo ani so etete omo abranti kire se enye gafo ne nko a na emom no omo free different regions ababetna Greater Accra no odwen ho a onti ase se abato time beso na wakwa gina ballot box ho na u take a decision na waka se wo to abade ama NDC because ohwem na se o calculate niama o de niama sisi ani a eho hia se uye nipa obeto abade ama NDC ama yoko because NDC ama yoko no ediga na bro ankasa ordinary reasons bebre etudwa inti nsema abranti no ede etudwa.
I really wonder why we the people from Greater Accra or the people who stays in Greater Accra we still vote for the NDC. I really wonder why. You see, we've been ungrateful to the MPP. Do you know why? These guys, which is President Kufuor and Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, we've been ungrateful to them and the entire MPP. Tell me why 90% of the project in Greater Accra was made by the MPP, but we still vote against them if it comes to presidential. I am wondering why. Let me come down to where I come from, which is Teshi. %99 of the project in Teshi was made by the MPP. But if it comes to presidential, we normally vote against the MPP. I am wondering why a project like this was made by the MPP, but we still vote against the MPP. I am wondering why a project like this was brought in by the MPP, but we normally vote against the MPP. I am wondering why a project like this was brought in by the MPP, but we still vote against the MPP. I am wondering why a project like this was brought in by the MPP, but we still vote against MPP. Voting is not about performance. That is what I have got to know. Because tell me the reason why a political party can do all this for a specific town but still vote against him, against the party. Senya brony beyi or lack of knowledge. I'm wondering why I am an illiterate, but I can see what people who have been to school cannot see. Don't be offended about this video, but sit down and think about it. The NDC is not helping we. But we've been told that NDC belongs to we the Ghana. It is totally false. Because the NDC don't help us. My brother, think about what I am saying and know who to vote for. I am not doing campaign. I am telling you what to do.
In the year 2013, somewhere August 2013, so that time now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and an president. Ghana started getting this sporadic power outages. A woman here doing a kakra. Me pato me chun adwun akwete kakra ntino. Ma wadwun nko 2013. Me the one nanti every 2013 na the way be wura baby and ye baby. Eno a na na adwuma da me so se me be ye. Ene me ni hwe ya me ye. Eno a na me be ye no. Enti yenyinam kane a ho started say ebe have problem more. This time there you do na a chance and ya so a thought that 2 days na my near the started 2013. Okay. And now the government then ebe my assurance say government is on its toes to make sure say the power crisis become a thing of the past. And of course, as a new government, Mahama Afe na no aba we have to give him the chance so he can put his things together to solve the Dumso issue. By 2014, 1 year after John Dramani Mahama came to power, now Ghana and Yinam Kanea, Abba, Lemfani say the most lowest. Sometimes na no mo so almost some Monday, me pato we so me kayo, me sremo, me nye the American me dina ha me kayo mo DC ye. Yes, on the Monday, not Obasanjo on Wednesday, me pato mo kai. Monday to Wednesday, and unti so ubekwe juma oto woni ameni na said the be Wednesday mpacho. I just want to remind all of us Mr. me pe na me pese me have fact filled yina ayede na so etumi akojutu into momo ame na mama game no enye de. It started from there. Omuma on Monday Wednesday and Sunday wenya unya no Wednesday Friday na wenya me pacho ye ni na ye kai sa time no 2014 ye kai me pacho MPP for amowa kakra no mo kai NDC for the almost still almost omunim the echo, but I believe some mumu be kai. Good. And honor the energy ministry or the power ministry headed by Kwabena Donko, Minister Honorable, and the deputy John Jinapo. John Jinapoi. No, yet Kwabena Donko deputy. Ebeka Tre say. There are some technical issues via air coso. Now the president of the day, Ebema Ghana for whom dia air coso. And no na ya Papa John Dramani Mahama first. Ebeka Tre say, oh, Ghana for munye ne nyankopon pese ochia so. Or say, this is a natural disaster from God. I'm quoting John Mahama. Or see where your natural disaster in Yankupon person what the Ghana for so adenya gas pipeline ya de che gas free and away and gas for and the power your plants no ship be papa bia your friend boot for boot or no and a kiss our ship no miniamichiao boot for boot the ship no akwa kocha sa you know pipe na ya de gas family into say no pipe na be my problem and no ka ho enti na yenya den yenya electricity me patcho that was the first one and now patcho we so me boa John Mahama or say pipeline na e de gas free Nigeria breye no wo bi ekochi ship e de ekocha amanu nti fan one ka we ye betumi anu ade anka betumi de anu afan go na free Nigeria friend and gas no enye adwumenti no Mumma government 3 weeks. Now government will solve it. This is John Dramani Mahama, 2014. 2014. And now you benya bibia your friend no energy sector legacy debt. A car a better off from 2012 TNE Your legacy debt, no. Obi antie. Almost sorry on that. And I Ghana that the Nani or power. Mamun tie sankwasi asem ni bio. Omoboa. Mamun tie bio. Eyadia NDC for Kanya. Yen you manu and Tomofa who did the MPP communicator. Don't allow them. To cut now. Don't allow them to tell you say there was power crisis from time immemorial. It is not true. It is not true because as our population was increasing, so when we adding up as we kept going on. If you want to know energy sector legacy debt, I have given you. It started 2012. 2012. MPP was not in power. MPP communicators stop making mute. No matter and President Kufuor it's not true. Mama ya di mama chatro dia Jimmy do baby we find ourselves back again. Because we decided to be so gentle on TV and radio. We decided to have learned colleagues and my learned friends than people that are going to step on each other's neck to give Ghana the best. 2012, me say 2012, Obiamo. Legacy debt, energy sector legacy started 2012. And with 2014, and gas